Something is wrong with the world. My internet connection is faster over Wi-Fi than it is over my wired Ethernet connection. This really should not be happening. What's going on? So we recently replaced our broadband connection and router, and the first results looked great. Here's a speed test over the new Wi-Fi access point. Not bad at all. But then I tried the same thing using the wired Ethernet connection directly to the router, and this is not what I expected. These numbers are suspiciously close to 100 megabits per second, which usually means something in the network has negotiated a slow 100 megabits per second link instead of a gigabit per second link. Question is, where? And I suspect this might be part of the problem. This is the patch panel for the house network, and it's clearly evolved over quite a few years. Some of the patch leads are ancient, and it's not exactly what you'd call tidy. Now, Ethernet is only as good as the weakest bit in the chain, and there are quite a few bits in the chain. And I'm wondering, is my house actually even capable of gigabit Ethernet? So I ran some tests between a couple of laptops on my desk, via the wall sockets, through the patch panel and through the switch. And that looked good, around gigabit speeds. So the cabling between these 2 points is definitely capable. But then I moved the second laptop over to the router end, and the speed dropped back to 100 megabits per second. So I brought some new Cat6 patch cables and tidied things up and rewired all the bits. And it's a much neater setup. And even better, we now get this. With the new cables in place, we're getting proper gigabit speeds all the way back to the router. And even better, the internet speed test is now properly fast too. So not bad for a half hour's work and a few new cables and a bit of tidying up. And looking at the cables I pulled from both the patch panel and the wall sockets, here's the problem I think. We have a Cat5 cable that sneaked in amongst all the Cat5e cables. So that's probably it. That was the one that was actually connecting the router to the wall. So it's all neat and tidy now, and it's much faster. So job's a good one.